A verdict was issued this morning in the final trial related to a fight between off-duty Springfield police officers and patrons of Nathan Bill's Bar in 2015. 22 News reporter Duncan McLean is live in the newsroom after attending the conclusion of this long legal saga in Hamden Superior Court this morning.
Rich, Springfield police officers Siobhan Lewis and Derek Gentry Mitchell rendered not guilty on all counts this morning in a bench trial for charges of perjury, misleading investigators, and filing false police reports. The pair of officers, two of the six that responded on that now notorious night outside Nathan Bill's Bar 8 years ago, charged by the State Attorney General's office in 2019 with attempting to cover up the incident. They are the last of 9 total officers that were accused of that cover-up. All of those charges now dropped or cleared. Lewis's attorney spoke with us after the verdict was announced this morning.
This has been a nightmare for my client Siobhan Lewis, and I'm sure for Mr. Gentry Mitchell. And we're very happy that it's now over, and they can go back to work for the police department.
Seemingly the main motivation for Judge Edric McDonough Jr. to dismiss these charges was the conduct of the U.S. Department of Justice during the investigation and trial. He said in subsidiary findings before issuing the verdict that the Commonwealth's evidence was manifestly unreliable because of limits imposed by the DOJ on the investigation by the FBI and their attempt last Friday in court to pull an FBI special agent off the stand in the middle of a cross-examination. Tonight on 22 News at 6, I'll recap the entirety of this case, now at its apparent conclusion 8 years after the inciting incident. Working for you live in the studio, Duncan McLean, 22 News.